Hey, I am reviewing this pneumatic wrench here right out of the box. What you get is the wrench itself, and you get the adapter that fits our standard air hose. I'm going to go ahead and connect it now and see what we got. And of course, I'm losing a little air here around my air chuck, but the actual wrench works just fine. Has a real good torque on it. Hey, it doesn't look or feel cheap. You know, you can get shop wrenches like this pneumatic, and they look like they work well, but it's lightweight. Doesn't feel like it has any good quality internal parts. But every part on here is quality, good, solid steel. And again, aside from losing the air around my chuck itself, the wrench works just fine.